2 Fridays ago, in the Learning Commons at Judge, the Judge Adventuring Guild met from 3 to 5. After students had gathered, the club divided in two, with one group playing Dungeons & Dragons and another playing board games. Some players painted these tiny character models that they used in play. The other group played a board game with teachers Strickland and Vanderlyn. The Judge Adventuring Guild meets every Friday from 3 to 5 in the Learning Commons and plays all types of games, be it card, board, or role-playing games, and welcomes everyone.
Allies Club is an acronym for accepting, loving, listening, inspiring, educating, and supporting. As a club, we strive to do just that. Our club typically meets every other Friday. Even though it is only the start of the second quarter, we have already accomplished a lot this year. This quarter, Allies Club hosted a Pizza in the Park Day with students, staff, and alumni, participated in the Utah Pride Center Road Rally for National Coming Out Day, and celebrated National Pronoun Day here at Judge with Allies Club pronoun pins. Allies Club hopes to continue adding to the Judge community with guest speakers, service events, our annual Winter Rainbow Mixer, alumni outreach, and collaborations with other diversity clubs. If you want to be involved with Allies Club, contact Kurt McLaughlin or Miss Saboka or follow our Instagram JMCS_allies for updates.
On August 27th, BSU had their first meeting with familiar and new faces. To kick off the start of the meeting, we went around and introduced ourselves by naming our favorite artist and what animal we can knock out in one single punch. We all laugh as freshman Dang Dang says he can knock out a lion in one punch. Senior Charlie Leo says he can knock out a medium-sized cat. The theme set for this year is Destined for Greatness. Greatness is a state of being distinguished, unforgettable, standing out amongst others. Excellence sets you apart from the rest of the world. Sophomore Esther Analja gives her explanation of what Destined for Greatness means to her. Here we have Senior Adior Jwing as she gives an amazing speech on what Destined for Greatness means for her personally. As we move on, we have Elise Dejajba as she reads what she has written up for Principal Lambert as to why we as a minority group should be able to sit during the pledge as our way of testing for our people.
The pledge mindlessly without giving thought to its message. The pledge's content may be seen as aspirational to many. However, the justice system doesn't take action to fulfill its message, making it insincere. The phrase justice for all is merely a paradox when victims of police brutality, hate crimes, and sexual assault rarely receive justice. Sitting down for the pledge allows students such as myself to protest the injustices within our country. In a nation where the oppressors are put on a pedestal, while the oppressed never receive proper justice, our generation must begin to change this round. The protesters of quietly sitting down during the pledge only benefits our society. This action reminds and raises awareness to those around us about the tragedies that occur in America. As children, we are told to stand up for what we believe in, yet when done, we face the possibility of being reprimanded. If we're to become builders of a more just society, we should protest injustice and we should be allowed to sit.
Oh, Chili. Oh, and she scores!
That's a goal by Chaley, number 23, one of our seniors. Her team is congratulating her. It's so impressive to see that on her Saturday night.
Amazing to see one of the seniors score on such a special night.
Ooh, give me a goal.
Very nice pass from Deja Hutchins. All right, and that's a hit from Deja and a block from number 28, Brianna Lorios. And that's a hit! They take the set.
All right, Hemmings, drop back. Oh, great block there. Caught by Connor.
He's got space to run. He's up the left, down to the 40, the 30, the 20. Breaks the tackle, the 10. Touchdown! Touchdown, Connor! Oh, what a play! What a play! Oh my goodness! The defense chant did not work. And
No
Connor
way.
breaks 2 tackles up to the up the left side, and touchdown. And we got signs on the screen. He's balling tonight.
Here at Judge Memorial, I got the amazing opportunity to check out our debate club, which had its first meeting a few weeks ago. I noticed that this club and class was filled with a bunch of students and noticed how everyone was very confident and well-spoken. When joining a club like this, you need to have a strong voice and be confident with what you are saying. Huck Jones here, as shown, was the leader of the group and informed us about everything that was going to happen. He even gave us an example using a shopping cart. It was funny hearing the explanations and reasoning behind this and everyone's thoughts and ideas. Overall, I had such a fun time being around these people and learning about what they enjoy. Judge has grown so much, and I hope to see more clubs like this in the future.
Also, for everyone here, you get service hours. Yeah, everyone take a picture for service hours. Put 1 hour in for environmental club. Karen is the director. Here, Leo.
Hi. So I actually got to go to an environmental club meeting on Monday, September 6th. Now, despite what you might think, it was actually a lot of fun. Going into it, admittedly, I thought it was going to be boring. I did not want to be there, did not want to shoot B-roll there. I did not know why I picked to shoot B-roll for environmental club, but over the course of the club's meeting, I actually had a lot of fun. Now, you guys have probably heard of the environmental club over the announcements on the PA, but I'm assuming that many of you have not been, so I'm here to shed some light on what happens. So, first off, what we did, we talked about the impact that we leave on the earth just through little things that we do. Like, do you leave the water on while brushing your teeth? Do you use recyclable bags or plastic bags when going to the grocery store? Little things like that. I actually was surprised on how many things I did that affected the environment. Like, I do leave the water on when I brush my teeth, and because of Environmental Club, I actually want to change that. But that's besides the point of what I'm trying to make here. So, the club only lasted for about 30 minutes, which is a really short time for a meeting, and the people there were so much fun. They really made the club. I mean, I think one of the funniest experiences was that someone actually ordered Chick-fil-A in the middle of our club meeting and had it delivered while we were sitting and talking about the environment. That was just hilarious to me. But like I said about the 30 minutes, yeah, it's only 30 minutes and you get an hour worth of service time for going to this club. It's really not that much work. We just collected recycling and poured it into the recycling bin, and we were done for the day. We also talked about what we wanted to do to change, like, our lives, like what we wanted to do in our lives to change something, you know, to have a positive impact on the environment. As you're going to see in, like, a poster here, we actually wrote stuff down on a poster, and we would come back to it in a month to see if we actually completed those goals. But yeah, it was a lot of fun, and I definitely recommend going next time.
The Latinx Club is the newest club here at Judge. This very inclusive club was started by President Karen Carreño and Vice President Brianna Valcarcel. We started off by introducing ourselves, our background, and our favorite dish. The first meeting, Brianna made Peruvian cookies to share, and the second meeting, Karen provided Mexican cookies. We then played a Kahoot game about Spanish Heritage Month, and followed by discussing the sweatshirt designs and plans for upcoming events such as the Day of the Dead.
I'm Madison, and what I really like about Catharsis is just the fact that we're all one big staff, and we're almost more like a family, if anything.
Hi, I'm Anthony, and what I really like about LitMag is just being able to kind of improve my own work by reading the work of my peers and seeing all the great ideas they have, and kind of understanding what's important to write about when it comes to life.
One thing I would say I like about Literary Magazine is Mr. Jeffries is a really cool teacher, and it's a fun class to, you know, we get to work on our own, go at our own pace, and review art and photography, which I like doing.
Hi, I'm Raylyn. I'm a senior at Judge, and I am the media captain on robotics. Basically, what robotics is about is we're going to participate in a competition called First Robotics Competition in spring, and our club is basically preparing ourselves from the competition, including building a robot, doing sponsorship, doing volunteer service in our community about STEM, and more like in-team stuff, including media, communications, software, hardware, and we want to compete in our spring competition so that we can go to Worlds. And our community in robotics is basically how we are competitive within the team and with other teams. However, we are also encouraging this learning environment where we constantly learn from each other and we be friendly with each other. And we definitely encourage competition while cooperating. And yeah, I think that's the community in our team.
Hey, get syrup, get juice, get chocolate milk. Pancake for you.
That